Explain the combination method of hanger and tree. First, we take the hanger pole and pass it through the chassis. Align the hanger and the chassis screw holes overlapping. Then align the other end to make the 3 holes into one. After the 3 holes are combined into one, it is fixed with a screw. After fixing, screw on the nut. This fixation ensures that there is enough space above to place hardware devices, such as the host and audio. Also, ensure that the projector below has enough circulation space for both wall projection and ground projection. If the floor height is relatively high, the extension rod can be connected below. If the floor height is relatively low, only 2 sections need to be connected. Then install the cloth and screw on the bottom. Finally, follow the normal hanger installation method to fix. Finally, tighten all 4 screws, including the side. Ensure the stability of the hanger. Adjust it to the extent that it cannot shake, and ensure the debugging is completed. Finally, let's look at the actual finished product installation. This is a sample of our successful installation. Trays and hanger